Dance Academy and my family and to Ate Alex.
Okay.
Ana po.
How old are you now, Kenny?
Lipat mo pa ano ba yung gusto mo?
Wala pa pong plan, pero I think on September.
Pero may ambition ka naman sa may ambition ka naman.
Nasa varsity school.
O naniniwala po, okay, Tenny, last na, naniniwala ka ba of course na malaking may tutulong itong posting ng WTA upang maximize pa lalo yung Philippine tennis as a whole? Salamat po. Anong masasabi nyo, impact nito?
Oh, it's a big impact po for
Yes
me
po.
and to all players sa tennis community sa Philippines dahil this WTA 125 is a big tournament, so lahat po siguro po na enjoy or excited sa upcoming
Bago ka ma-homeschool, saan ka nag-aaral?